Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream healthy at home. The secret lies in using whole, unprocessed ingredients, primarily frozen fruit, to create a delicious dessert without guilt. This method ensures you control exactly what goes into your treat, making it a perfect option for a healthy lifestyle. It's surprisingly simple and quick to prepare, offering a refreshing alternative to traditional ice cream. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of frozen bananas, which form the creamy foundation. For a rich chocolate flavor, incorporate 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer other flavors, try frozen berries or mango. A small splash of plant-based milk, like almond or oat, will help achieve that ideal, smooth consistency. These simple ingredients are all you need. The preparation is incredibly straightforward. Simply combine your chosen frozen fruit, any flavorings like cocoa powder, and a small amount of plant-based milk into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend until the mixture transforms into a smooth, creamy consistency, much like soft-serve ice cream. You might need to scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything is well combined. Enjoy your freshly made, healthy ice cream immediately for a soft-serve experience, or freeze it for about 30 minutes to achieve a firmer scoop. This simple method allows you to indulge in a sweet treat without any added sugars or unhealthy fats. It's a fantastic way to satisfy cravings while sticking to your wellness goals. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. You'll love how easy and delicious this healthy dessert is to make at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.